So my favorite Pepti-eye Serum is by a company called Viktoria DeAnn. They are a science technology-based product line, professional product line as well. And I will show you a picture of what their eye serum looks like. So this is the peptide eye serum that I love by Viktoria DeAnn. It was synthesized in an FDA-regulated lab, and it contains all of those amazing peptides, soluble collagen, green tea extract, which both optimizes hydration and is a powerful antioxidant. So the peptides will really help to signal the repair of your dermal cells to activate. And because of that, it really helps with dark circles, puffiness under the eyes, the signs of aging, the fine lines, and the wrinkles, and all of that good stuff. So one of the ways that I love to use the eye serums is, again, after doing a deeper treatment, I also take my Viktoria DeAnn eye serum. I purchase one of these eye rollers with the metal ball roller, which feels really cool. And I will fill up the eye serum in here, and it's a great way to just roll it onto your skin. Make sure you check out my demonstration for my microneedling because I demonstrate the best way to apply all of your eye serums, your eye creams with the direction of blood flow, which will help also decrease puffiness and dark circles and all of that good stuff. But I love this eye serum because it is really effective. Let's see if I can open it up, but it's water-based, it's gel. Let's see. It's really thin. Very cooling. It's water-like, but super hydrating. So when you apply it on, it has a really good light, very light smell to it. Almost like roses kind of smells like that. But it absorbs so quickly into your skin. It's water-based, but also hydrating and just very, very soft and soothing. And it is, again, great for eye protection of the skin. For hydration, eye serums are formulated with the right size and molecules so that that delicate skin will actually absorb it. And again, I love the Viktoria DeAnn one because they are science-based. They use the peptides, and their technology and their delivery systems were formulated to actually absorb deep down into that part of your skin.